Success doesn't happen in a vacuum. In any business, you will occasionally need to collaborate and problem solve together. In this video, we will discuss how Sage Intacct Construction can help your business to utilize collaboration to work faster and more efficiently, specifically by using Sage Intacct Collaborate. Communication between colleagues is vital, and it's important that the channels for that communication are as clear and user-friendly as possible. Sage Intacct Collaborate is a free chat feature that can help to streamline communication between system users. Rather than communicating through different channels, using Sage Intacct Collaborate means that all of your conversations are happening in one place. Instead of having dozens of email chains as well as messages on Slack or Teams, you can keep conversations within Sage Intacct so that it's easier for everybody to follow and engage with. You can have specific comment threads within records or transactions. This means the conversation only includes relevant information and is therefore easier for other users to read, and also the conversation isn't cluttering up other conversation areas with unrelated details. You can also store documents within the feed so that nobody has to go searching for relevant materials when they read up on the comments. Sage Intacct Collaborate is a great way to have specific conversations in the right place, to simplify communication and problem solving. However, it also contains a forum-style area, Collaborate Center. Anyone can post in this section, promoting wider discussions and development of new ideas. The middle ground between specific conversations and wider forum-style conversations is the Groups feature. You can invite specific users into a group, not to discuss a specific issue, but more like a project. Here, the members can share relevant details or documents about it without the conversation clogging up the central area. Users can set their own preferences to determine what sort of notifications they want to get from the software. You can be notified when a user comments on a thread that you follow, comments on something that you have posted, or any comments that you are tagged in. Whether you would like to be notified of all engagement or just notified about specific things so that you can avoid notification blindness. Sage Intacct Construction can help your business to run faster and more efficiently by promoting collaboration and communication between teams. If you would like to learn more about Sage Intacct Construction, please use the links in the description. Or you can get in touch with our Sage experts directly. You can give us a call on 0115 840 5075, or you could email us at inquiries@solutionscloud.uk.